Hey baby, and welcome to New Orleans Cooking with the Fields family. It's Danielle Deandra, and I'll be explaining to you how we cook assorted baked chicken wings. As you can see, our wings are cleaned and seasoned and ready to be baked, and our oven has been preheating at 400 degrees. The seasonings of our choice are parsley, garlic, and onion powder, slap your mama, and vegetable oil to keep the chicken wings moist. Now we are covering the pans with foil and then putting the chicken wings in the oven for an hour and a half. These are our wings after the hour and a half. Our wings were cooked but not dark enough, so we put them back in the oven for 10 minutes on broil, and this was the final results. Now that's how we like it. Then we went ahead and lowered the oven to 350 degrees. It's sauce time, so go ahead and separate your wings according to the number of sauces you choose. We chose the sauces of barbecue, lemon pepper, garlic and herb, and buffalo. As you can see, our lemon pepper wings are a dry rub, and that is why we bake the wings with vegetable oil to keep the wings moist, because if you add too much dry rub to the wings, it will just dry out. To all of our buffalo wing fans, I love buffalo wings and I love our wings to be saucy. So as you can see, my mom is going ham with this buffalo sauce, and that's exactly how we like it. If you like buffalo wings, comment down below. We are a sauce family. I'm sorry, but we like our chickens to be saucy. And after covering the chicken wings with sauce, we put them back in the oven without a cover on 350 degrees until the sauce has stuck to the chicken wings. And this is the final results. Thank you so much for watching, and go ahead and share this video with a friend if you enjoyed it.